Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change your Framer URL. This is incredibly useful if you want to rebrand your site or simply choose a custom domain that better reflects your project. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to framer.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the correct account if you manage multiple projects. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard where all your projects are displayed. Look through your projects and click on the specific project or website where you want to change the URL. This will open up that particular project's workspace. Now direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen. You'll see the Framer icon there. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From the options that appear, select Site Settings. This will open another menu where you need to click on Open Settings. This action takes you into the comprehensive settings area where you can make various adjustments to your site. Once you're in the settings interface, look at the left sidebar. Here you'll find several options for managing different aspects of your site. Click on Domains. This section is dedicated to managing your site's URL and domain configurations, giving you full control over how your site is accessed. In the Domain section, you'll notice an area labeled Custom. Directly beneath this label, there's a field where you can input your desired URL. Click into this field and type your new URL exactly as you want it to appear. Make sure it's spelled correctly and reflects your brand or project accurately. After entering your new URL, you'll see a drop-down menu next to it that currently displays .framer.website. Click on this drop-down to explore other available options. You might see alternatives like .framer.media or other extensions. Choose the option that best suits your needs and aligns with your project's purpose. This flexibility allows you to customize your URL even further. Once you've selected your preferred extension and are satisfied with your new URL, look for the check icon. Click this icon to confirm your changes. This finalizes the URL modification and applies it to your Framer project. And there you have it, you've successfully changed your Framer URL to something that better represents your project. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.